discovery. Let's take a tour of IT Assistant and some of its capabilities. First thing you'll want to do is go off and do discovery. Before we do that, I actually want to kind of go through the global settings. So as far as the discovery configurations are concerned, you can go in and make changes to how often and when and at what speed it does discovery. You can use your DNS name resolution, or it can actually talk to the device to bring that information back. It will also go out and do inventory discovery. Again, control the speed and the times at which it accomplishes that. And then same thing again with the status details. So a good amount of information associated with that. These are all global settings. As far as going out and discovering devices, you click on Discovery Ranges, and you can see here I have a range of devices that we can manage. What I'll do is right-click and create a new range. And in here you give it the range of IP addresses that you would like to monitor. I'm going to select a subnet 192.168.51.100 and then use range of 110. There's about 10 servers there. Click on Add. I could add multiple ranges to that if I wanted to. The next thing you want to do is configure SNMP. So all of the servers talk SNMP, and the key thing that you want to have set up is to provide a Git community. This is a read-only SNMP community that allows each of your devices to report information up to a central console. It could be this IT Assistant console or other consoles that exist in your environment. There is no requirement to use the set community within IT Assistant. In fact, it is a security risk, and we recommend that you don't use that, but a lot of networking devices and other things still require that, and you can certainly take advantage of that if that's something you have defined in your environment. The next thing you want to configure is the Common Information Model. So Common Information Model allows you to gain access to the WMI information. So in order to do that, you need to have a service account set up with a username and password, and you define that here, and based on that range it will go and it will try and log in the device with that information and provide information into the device details, which you'll see in a minute. A net new feature that we've added to IT Assistant is the ability to now extend our relationship with Dell EMC and discover EMC arrays. So in order to do that, and when you install IT Assistant, it asks you if you would like to install Navi CLI. It is the secure CLI version, so for EMC arrays with flare code above 22, that's when they implemented the secure CLI. This is a command line interface that allows you to log into that array so that you can capture details and also define templates to report alerts up to this console. So you'll check that box, use your password details. The next thing you'll come up to is IPMI, Intelligent Platform Management Interface. This is basically talking to the baseboard management controller of the server. What you want to do is create a username and password to be able to log into this, and you can use a common one across your overall infrastructure. You can also, it supports keys as well for more secure communication. And then it will go off and it will do a discovery and an inventory. Click on Next, Finish, and